Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to combine multiple images into one in Photoshop. So let's start it. At first, open your Photoshop document. Now you can see combine multiple images in Photoshop. Now you're going to the firstly file menu option. Now click from open option. Now select from picture. Now click from open. Open the picture, then again others picture in the open insert. Now again click for the my file menu option, then click from open option and select from others picture. Now click open. Like you can see, then others picture. Now keyboard press Ctrl A and keyboard press Ctrl C and moved. Now click Ctrl V and this is your picture. Now you can see. Now select from layer on and click from adjust layer. Now going to the toolbar option. Now select from gradient color. That it's. Now you can see combining multiple images into one in Photoshop document is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel.